Hi there. As we all know that every event organizer needs to communicate to all their attendees, whether it is pre-event, post-event or sometimes during event regarding event specific information. So if we do it manually, it is quite a tedious task, but let's see how we can do this in easy and efficient way with the help of mail merge. So let's see how we can do this. So we have to download Mailmer Sheet. I have mentioned the link below in description. You can download it from there and access it with any Gmail account. So our first step is to add the data in the sheet. So I'll just change the column names according to my need. You can change it according to yours. So recipients, then ticket type, phone number and slot time. So as you can see, I have changed the column names. You can customize column names. I have added few rows to it. Now we'll just paste the attendees data. So I have downloaded the attendees data sheet from allevents.in ticketing dashboard. You can even download it from there. So we'll just paste the data. So our first task is completed. We have to make sure that the email IDs stay in recipients column. We can customize other columns according to our need. So let's move on to drafting an email. So we have to go to Gmail. Let's draft an email. So I want to send information regarding my Zoom webinar. So I'll just add the heading. So I've added the subject line. Now I'll show you how we can personalize this mail. So for personalizing this mail, we have to make sure that we are putting column headings between two curly brackets. So I have put name in between two curly brackets. So let's see how we can do this with other column. We can do this with as many column as we want. So now I'll just add the details regarding the Zoom webinar. And the passcode. So I have added the details. After drafting this mail, we have to make sure that we save this draft. So okay, so let's we can move to mail merge. So let's go to the mail merge sheet again. Now we have completed two steps. Let's go and send mails directly. So we have to click on mail merge and then send emails. So this will demand for the subject line which we have added in the draft. So I am adding the subject line which I have added regarding Zoom webinar information. So I have added the subject line. By clicking on OK, it will send mails to all our attendees and we will be able to see the status in the email sent column after it sends mail. So yeah, as you can see, the status is here in email sent column. So we have done it with the help of mail merge. So now I'll show you another better method to do this. So for all event organizer, all event is providing broadcast message feature with which we can send mail to all our attendees with one click only. So let's see how we can do this. So for that, first we have to go to event dashboard. So I'll just click on my event. So yeah, as we come to the event dashboard, we have to scroll down and we can see the broadcast message feature over here. So after we go to the broadcast message page, we can draft the message which we want to send to all our attendees. So they are providing the feature of selecting ticket types. So I'll just select all, and then the draft the message. So hi there, Zoom code. It is one. So after adding Zoom code, I'll add the passcode. So yeah, I have added the details. So after we add the details, we just have to click on send button to send the mails. So I'll just click on send button. It will automatically send mail to all my attendees. So yeah, as you can see, Olivers.in has broadcasted message to all the attendees. So these are the two easy ways with which we can send mails to all our attendees. Thank you.